Tonight on Missed Gear, I drive my truck. Austin sneezes. Ow! And Matthew makes a comment about a man's face.
Then they were like touching each other's faces. Woo! Like I said, exactly how they do it at SEMA.
Alright guys, let's say you're like your boy here. You're broke. You can't afford anything kind of cool. So you work with what you got. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your car cool on a budget. Alright, now as you can see, this thing's dirty. So in order to make a good impression, make sure you wash your car. It's just the basics, people.
That's the sound of horsepower.
Alright, now, if you're like me, and you don't really care about your paint, or you don't really know a whole lot about detailing, make sure you get your friend who actually kind of knows about this stuff.
Ow!
Did you get that?
I think so. And has 4 brain cells.
That too.
Hey, look, a bee.
See?
Yeah, that's not a good idea.
Did I mention I'm allergic to bees?
Another good thing that you want to know, especially about this, is, again, just make sure you get your car washed off. I mean, you can do it to varying degrees. Just make sure you get most like the pollen, stuff like that, off, especially if it's spring. Because again, you want to make a good impression.
And the flip-flops are key.
Alright, now that the car is clean, we're gonna dry off some things and move on to step 2. We're on to step number 2. We're just gonna mess with some of our trim. Now, what you could do is you could use some sandpaper, you could paint it, but that's assuming that I have more money that I can actually dump into this thing more than just dumping gas into it, alright? I'm broke as shit. So we're just gonna use duct tape that I found in my buddy's garage. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure that you dry off the surface. That's good enough. And then you're just going to take your duct tape, just peel that shit off.
So you can tell there's no expense spared by the fact that we actually bother to use a towel and not our shirts.
That's true. I could just let it sun dry, but you know what? It shows us that here on the JDCC YouTube channel, we care. Hello, I'm Joseph Duffy, and as you see here displayed on your screen, we have some mini trucks that need your help because they've been abused and abandoned by their owners. Now with just one small subscription, just a little bit of your time out of the day, I will help stand up for them, and I'll make it my mission to make fun of those responsible. Thank you. As you can see, we're just going to slap this on all lackadaisical-like. Because, I mean, again, what we're going to do is we're just going to cover this whole area and then trim it around with a knife afterwards.
Or we could just use a Sharpie and draw a bow tie on it. While we're at it, we can make some racing stripes.
Now, the main thing that a lot of people do is they do the 2 stripes down the middle. But I'm saying, nah, let's just do one big offset stripe. Because, again, this is a race truck. Master at work, alright? Again, only the finest materials. Gorilla Tape, keeping your shitbox together since 2004.
They were just doing things about people that were graduating and they were giving them their senior picture as a sculpture. They can do that.
I wonder how much they charge for that.
Good question.
Senior picture as a sculpture. Let me just touch my own face real quick.
Exactly, that's the point. Then they were like touching each other's faces.
Weird.
They could tell what their classmates look like.
Dude, that is money.
See, look at that.
That looks factory.
Get in there.
Yeah, get in there, get in here. If anything, you might have to stop the recording just so you can actually zoom in on this
glamour
excellence,
shots.
you know?
Yeah,
My thing
it's
is
not going to be 100% in focus, but oh, wait. Yeah, color coded.
Dude, I'm telling you. Full-on racing car. Now, what we're going to do now, and this requires at least another friend, assuming that you actually have a friend. This is going to require a friend. We're now going to show you how to get Backfire on the cheap. For when you want to show those guys in their Audis that you have the best exhaust. On to part 3. Alright, now here's how you get that perfect Backfire. Alright? Supras are going to be jealous of you. Alright? Bam.
These are M150s, which are some of the more powerful firecrackers you can buy. Allegedly.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
That was good though. That's good enough. That's high as you need to go. Ready?
Let's do this.
Alright. Get ready. On my mark. You want to be standing that close? I'd say go to the chair.
ほう、向かってくるのか。逃げずにこのディオに近づいてくるのか。せっかく祖父のジョセフが私のザワールドの正体を。
近づかなきゃてめえをぶちのめせないんでな。
ほうほう。では十分近づくがよい。
Go! Right! Awesome! Woo! Like I said, exactly how they do it at SEMA.